So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is enable out mouse gestures as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto View, then go to Add Interface, and then enable mouse gesture. Once you do that, if I were to go ahead and make mouse gesture, then the video will be controlled accordingly. But when you actually go ahead and enable, you might not know the mouse gestures that are possible. So to learn more about it, you can go around over here onto wiki.videoland.org and /mouse_gestures right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the mouse gestures right here, depending on the version. So you can see that left is short skip, 10 second by default, and then left up is faster right here. So let's just go ahead right here and left up right here, just like this. Click and drag left up, and then it'll be faster right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that depending on, let's say for example, my mouse gesture right here, right up, you can see that the video goes much more faster right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and utilize this. So you can see that there's left up, right up, and there's left down as well. So go to the previous entry. So let's just go around right here, just like this, and then it simply goes around. You can tap it. So if you have a touch screen, then this is quite useful right here. So let's say for example the volume up is simply up right here, so click and drag it up right here, then you can see that the volume right here goes up. Go ahead and down, and the volume goes down. So like I said, if you have a touch screen, this is quite useful. So down left is quit VLC, so let's just go ahead and down left, and it simply quits VLC just like that. And that is how you can utilize mouse gestures in VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.